Hello, my dear lovely viewers. How are you? Hope you are doing well by the grace of Almighty. If you want to take garment side job, then it's the high time for you because after Eid vacation, every garment factory will take quality people and production people, such like a operator, packing man, mechanic, the iron man, etc. Then, if you want to take garments quality side job, then you can watch my channel playlist quality knowledge A to Z. Then you will get more idea about quality job. And if you want to take production side jobs such like a operator, then iron man, mechanic, then you can take training from a reputed training center. After Eid vacation, you could apply for this type of job after getting the training and watching the videos. So keep trying. Who knows, you can get a job.